Okay, here it is. I found its weak spot. We got James, Kirk, Lars, Roberto Agustin Miguel Tassiano, something is his full name. But anyways, and that's the CD right there. Let me show you guys it. Let me show it to you guys. Oh, okay, wait. 72 seasons. Pretty good album, I'd say. I like it. I like a couple of the songs, like 72 Seasons, Screaming Suicide, You Must Burn, Lux Eterna, If Darkness Had a Sun, Too Far Gone. Yeah, it's about all the songs I like right there. Anyways, let me put this back in there. Booklet. Just got a bunch of lyrics and stuff. Pretty nice. So. Wait. So how it go? James. And here's the back of it. Nothing too special. Okay, there you go. 72 Seasons CD on Blackened Recordings, their independent label. There you go.